I only got my camera stand, that way we can get better shots. That way we're more controlled. Let's see. Whoa. Dude, there's some wild looking stuff in the sky right now. I had a good feeling about today. Or I don't know if I should be a good feeling or scared. Because that looks evil. There's some definitely evil looking stuff out here right now. Our face is still there. Yep. You see the sky down that way? All the purples and stuff. It's really pretty, but I really can't see it from here, so I might as well just film what I can see right here. You already got, you know, this is the second time I've seen this face in the sky. I've seen it before. I'll put a picture in this video. When I lived in McKinney, I have seen this before, I'm telling you. And I'll prove it to you all. I will prove it. I got the picture from 2017 was the last time I seen that face. Sometimes that's repeating, I call them repeating patterns or repeating figures in the sky. Dude, look. Look how many planes are going at it. 1, 2, 3. I'm sure there's more than that, but just right there. They're not really chemtrailing because you see that it's contrails. They're not really leaving anything behind, but who's to say they don't have anything that's like invisible? You know, any kind of thing that's left after. We'll go out here. Let's walk down here a little bit and see what we see. This is why I like having a camera stand. That makes things so much easier. It really does. When you're filming. It's almost, you know, I got more control. It's more steady. Whoa. You see that? It's not the outhouse, above the outhouse. It's like a break in the clouds right there. That looks a little odd. Our clouds are bad. Bugs, man, bugs. And all on my face, it's right then. Oh, dude. That's not scary looking at all. There's my wife pulling up. Hello.
What are you doing?
Filming.
Hey.
Yeah.